New guidelines from the Ministry of Civil Aviation have also been issued. All international passengers need to get a COVID test 72 hours prior to boarding a flight to Delhi or anywhere in the country for that matter. Passengers transiting to the Middle East, the UK or Europe, or those whose flights originate from any of these areas will also need to get an RT-PCR test upon arrival at their own expense. All of this has been done in a bid to prevent the spread of the new virus mutations that have now been detected in India. Neeta Sharma joins us for the very latest. Neeta, new guidelines, new SOPs have been put in place for international travel, and while of course the UK, Europe and the Middle East have been categorized separately.
Yes, absolutely, Rishika. You know, a very thoughtful and a robust screening policy has been thought by the Government of India, in which the passengers would be screened, tested, isolated and also treated if they are positive. This guideline would come in force from February 22nd, 11:59 p.m. onwards. A detailed guidelines has been issued. As you were mentioning, as far as all international passengers are concerned, they need to upload their RT-PCR negative test report on Air Suvidha portal, which has been created by the Government of India. And when they come here, the land here in Delhi or any other state for that matter, they need to follow the protocol as per as the state authorities have laid down. But as far as these three countries that you were mentioning was UK, Europe and Middle East, they also need to test their travel history and also their negative report to this portal. And another thing which the government has now made mandatory, that if this information has is found to be incorrect, then you can be prosecuted. This is a certain surety which the government now asks each passenger to give when they land to whichever state they traveling to. And as far as these other three areas are concerned, UK, Brazil and South Africa, for them the guidelines is even more stringent. While disembarking from airline, they need to be segregated and they need to give their samples. Apart from these RT-PCR test negative reports, they also need to give their samples before they exit any airport for that matter. And if their report comes negative, it is essential for them to go in home quarantine for 7 days, and then again their test would be done. And if the second report comes negative, they can come out of the quarantine, but they again need to monitor their health for next 7 days more. This is the SOP which now the new SOP which has been released by the Ministry of Civil Aviation. And if any of the person comes positive, then they need to follow the guidelines of that state wherever they have landed. This detailed guidelines was issued by the Ministry of Civil Aviation, Rishika, after 5 people had tested positive when they were traveling from these countries. Rishika?